Hello viewers, welcome back to today's mathematics class. So in this class we're going to solve this JAMB past question. So guys, in case you are doing this upcoming JAMB examination, so this class is made for you, and also WAEC examination, this class is also made for you because this topic is very important for both WAEC and JAMB, NECO, any kind of exam you're writing. Matrix is very important. So let's dive into the solution of it. So guys, if it's your first time watching my video, or it's my video for the first time, or watching my video for the first time, do it to subscribe, like, also turn your button in case what you have benefit like this. It definitely be the first one to find whenever we have any new video on this page. Okay, so guys, if you watch off our Facebook page or Instagram page, do it to follow us for more video like this. Now let's dive into the solution of this question. And before I dive into it, guys, please use 1 minute to the time to share this video with a friend or family. God bless you. I wish you more knowledge and understanding as you share this video. So let's dive to the solution of this problem. I'm asking, what if it's in the question on the first time? How we attempt to solve this problem? It's quite very simple. Many of you said, what's this topic now? It's under matrix, okay? It's under matrix, and it's very simple to solve. Though I have two methods, I have two ways of solving this problem, but for the sake of this video, I only use one method. And if you need me to solve it in another method, you can go to the comment section and message you and comment that I need the second method. But I will use the very fast and easy method to solve it in this particular video. So guys, let's dive into the solution of this problem. Okay, let's go. So let's look at the solution. You have the solution. Now let me read the question. The question is that determine x plus y if we have the matrix 2 minus 1, okay, minus 3 or 4, because we have the base, and we have s and y, okay, equal to minus 1 minus 8, and here we have the options. Now how do you attend to this question when you see this question at the first place? It's quite very simple. Okay, I said earlier that I have two methods to solve this problem, but for the sake of this video, I will use a very fast method. In case no exam, you have to use a very fast trick and get your answer accurately. Okay, so let's dive to the solution of this. Now, I would like to say that this is the matrix A, okay, matrix A, and we have our this column is S and Y. So if you still remember multiplication of matrix, okay, multiplication of matrix 2 by 1 matrix, you know that this row here multiplied by column here, okay, the row here multiplied by column here, and all the all equal to this. I get now. Now let's take that, since if this row multiplied by column, you know that this row here, this column here, it will be equal to s 2 times this, that's 2s minus 1 times y, that gives us minus what, minus 3y and 3y. Same thing here, minus 1 times s, that gives minus s, 4 times y, that gives us 4y. But you know, this row here is equal to s. They have the coefficient, they have the variable of s. They have the variable of s, and why this row here, they have the variable of what, of y. So I'll use the normal way. Then for the first, find the determinant of this matrix I have here. So remember the matrix A, remember this out, that is 2 minus 1, we have minus 3, and we have 4. So let me for the first solve this determinant of this. So let me say I want to find the data of the first matrix we have here. Now to find the determinant of it, now you still remember of 2 by 2 matrix, this one will multiply by this. That is, this one is 4, I wrote here, we have 4 here. Okay, that will be 2 times 4, that will be equal to, that is 8. Okay, minus, the sign here is minus, we have minus, okay, minus 3 times minus 1, that gives us plus 3, so we have plus 3. Now 8 minus 3, that gives us what, 8, that gives us 5 further. So it means that our determinant for this 2 by 2 matrix is equal to 5. Now let's find our determinant of s. What I mean by determinant of s, it means that we remove for this column where the first column here is the value of s. So we remove this first column here and replace by the equal to here. So this one comes to this place, that will be the determinant of s. So here we have our determinant of s will be equal to, instead of it to write 2 minus 1, you move it, the first column, you move it here and put this one to that place, right? So that will be minus 1 and 8. Okay, so I've replaced this one with this. Now we have minus what? Minus 3 and 4. So I'll write this one back. So let me solve this determinant of this else to be equal to. So that is minus 1 times minus 4. That gives us minus 4. Okay, now the constant sign here is minus. We have minus 3 times 8. That gives us minus 24, right? Yeah, brackets minus 24. Close brackets. Now that be equal to, and then write it here. That be what? Equal to. Here we have a minus times minus here. We give us plus. So this one gives us plus. Okay, means that minus 4 plus 24. Minus 4 plus 24. That gives us 20. Okay, so we have 20. So it means that our determinant of s is equal to 20. Okay, now let's find the value of s now. Therefore, to get the value of s, since I've get the determinant of s, okay, to find the value of your s now to be equal to, that is the determinant of s divided by determinant. Okay, the way determinant divided by what? The determinant of s, that would be equal to determinant of s divided by the determinant of the matrix. Okay, so that would be equal to determinant of s we get as 20. So we have 20 divided by our determinant we have 5. So we divide by 5. So 5 here 1, 5 and 20 that is equal to what? 4. So means that the value of s is equal to 4. So I'll get our s is equal to 4. Now let's get the value of what? Of y. So to get the value of y, the same thing I did here, you have to solve this the determinant of y. So to get the determinant of y here, that be equal to, so the second column here is to be moved and replaced by this. Okay, replaced by this equal to. So that means that we have a 2, okay, and minus 1. Okay, why the second row column here you remove and replace by this the minus 1 and 8. So this one is to be equal to, that is minus 1 and 8. So let's solve it. Now that will be equal to, let's find the determinant of this. That is 2 times 8, that gives us 16. So here we have, let me write it there, that is dy is equal to, that is 16, okay, minus, you have the constant sign here is minus. Minus 1 times minus 1, that gives us what? As 1. Okay, now let's add this together now. 16 minus 1, that gives us 15. So we have our determinant of y is equal to 15. Now to get the value of your y, therefore to get the value of your y, it be equal to, okay, that is the determinant of y divided by the determinant, and where we have determinant we have 5, and the determinant of y that is 15. So that will be equal to, that is a 15, okay, divided by 5. 5 here 1, 5 and 15, that's equal to what? 3. So it means that our y now is equal to 3. Now we have got the value of y is equal to 3, but the question is that you find the determine s plus y. So let's look at our s plus y that will be equal to, you know that our s is equal to 4 and our y is equal to 3. So that will be equal to, that is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 definitely is 7. So the answer is equal to 7. So it means that determine s plus y of this matrix is equal to 7. Now the answer option is option D. Okay, that's option D. So that is problem. That is solution to this problem. Okay guys, so that is how I solve this question. So let's move to the next class. So in case, and earlier I said I have two methods of solving this problem. I can use some methodology question to solve this particular matrix question. Okay, so but if you need the question, if you need another method of solving it, you can let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to follow us, to give a like to this video and share this video with a friend and family. So let's meet in the next class. Let's dive to it. Thank you. Bye for now.